Hello and welcome to 2 Minute Watches. Today I want to talk about my first experience buying a watch from Baltany. I bought this off AliExpress, but I didn't expect all this stuff to come from it. The box itself, quite well made. Reminds me a bit of like a smartphone box. I paid several £100s for a smartphone before, and this is the kind of good quality box you get. There you go with the shiny text on top. This was the first surprise I got. Really nice leather pouch. I'm probably not real leather, but very nice quality faux leather. Something I actually want to use. To give a kind of a comparison, I mean, Watch Dive's case, like a cheap sunglasses case, maybe. Definitely. It probably protects it better, but obviously it's very much in the budget category. Whereas you get something like this, embossed with a logo, a nice button folding fastener, just really nice, just really impressed with it. That got me as well. And then got nice branded microfiber cloth as well, don't mind that. Even the instructions is nice, you can see it's the shiny text as well, nicer than usual. All came in this, again, branded envelope with a watch tool there as well, which is pretty standard. It's the watch tool. The watch tool also is branded. Look at that, very nice. And you've got I'm not sure that others do this, but you get a warranty card. What I assume is a unique number. And look at that. Signature and stamp, retailer code, date of purchase, all handed out. It's like a proper luxury watch experience. The watch itself, this is the Baltany Oyster 1926 Tribute. Very, very nice in itself. The features look really good. I'll do a proper review of this separately in a separate video, but just wanted to say, like, this really, really surprised me. So, yeah, definitely if one of these catches your eye, I think just worth it you get a bit of that, almost that Swiss luxury experience that you don't get usually with these AliExpress watches. So, yeah, let me know if you felt the same when you bought one of these.